Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Monday.com browser extension, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall the Monday.com browser extension, begin by opening your web browser. If you're using Google Chrome, locate the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Click on the dots to open the drop-down menu. From there, select More Tools. Then, choose Extensions from the options presented. You will now see a list of all installed extensions. Scroll through the list to find the Monday.com extension. Once you've located it, you will see a toggle switch. Click the toggle switch to turn it off. Alternatively, click the Remove button to uninstall it completely. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Remove again to finalize the uninstallation. If you're using Firefox, start by clicking the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Select Add-ons and Themes from the menu. In the Add-ons Manager, click on Extensions in the left sidebar. Find the Monday.com extension in the list of installed extensions. Click the three dots next to the extension. Select Remove from the drop-down menu. A confirmation window will pop up. Click Remove to confirm your choice. For Microsoft Edge users, click on the three horizontal dots in the upper right corner. From the menu, select Extensions. You'll see the list of extensions currently installed. Find the Monday.com extension in the list. Click on the Remove button next to it. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Remove to complete the process. Once you have removed the extension, restart your browser to ensure all changes take effect. You have now successfully uninstalled the Monday.com browser extension. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.